Hi, my little friends. Today we will learn about singular and plural. Let's get started. All nouns can be in different numbers. They can be one, that is singular, or many, that is plural. Let's take a few examples. Most singular nouns form the plural by adding an S to them. Let's take a few examples. Crayon, crayons. One cup, many cups. One tree, add an S to it, many trees. Bag, bags. One bee, many bees. One flower, many flowers. Balloon, balloons. Bug, bugs. Bucket, buckets. One pen, many pens. One book, many books.
Good morning, class 2. Take out your geometry books, page number 8. Today we are going to do nouns. Nouns, numbers. Sometimes we have to make it clear how many, that is, the number of the same kind of persons or things. We are talking about one or more than one. One book. Now count how many books are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 books. One pencil. 6 pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One boy. How many boys? 1, 2, 3. 3 boys. One cat. Many cats. These examples make it clear that most nouns have two forms. Number 1, the first form, book, pencil, boy, cat, tells us that only one of the same kind of person or thing is meant. Number 2, the second form, books, pencils, boys, cats, tells us that more than one of the same kind of thing or person are meant. Different nouns have different ways of changing their forms to show numbers. We shall now look at a few ways in which this change is made. The forms that means more than one have been placed under the column many. So, if you use numbers like 2, 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, etc. with a noun, the noun will
Obviously,
come under many. In the case of some nouns, we add an S to show that we means more than one. One means singular and many means plural. One book, books. Eye, eyes. Friend, friends. House, houses. Shirt, shirts. Giraffe, giraffes. Cow, cows. Pen, pens. Sister, sisters. Door, doors. Skirt, skirts. Elephant, elephants. A. Fill in the blanks with the correct forms of the nouns given to show one or many. One has been done for you. One horse, 7 horses. One dash, 3 rulers. One ruler. R U L E R, ruler. One line, many dash. One line, many lines. L I O N S, line. One picture, 4 dash, 4 pictures. 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 Now girls, I do this exercise orally for you. You do it yourself. 1 dash 12 trees. 1 tree, 12 trees. 1 owl, 15 owls. 1 dove, 2 doves. 1 dash 4 erasers. 1 eraser, 4 erasers. 1 hill, many hills. 1 computer, 3 computers. 1 mountain, many mountains. 1 tray, 9 trays. 1 duck, many ducks. 1 table, many tables. 1 chair, 20 chairs. 1 flute, 6 flutes. 1 swan, 7 swans. 1 crayon, 8 crayons. 1 hen, 5 hens. 1 apple, 20 apples. Note: do you know that the forms of the nouns sheep and deer remain the same? Whether we mean one or many sheep or deer, we say one sheep, two sheep, one deer, many deer. We never say or write sheeps or deers. Exercise B. The forms of some of the nouns in the following sentences are wrong. Write the correct form in the blanks. One has been done for you. Number 1. The hen laid 2 eggs. We change it into plural. The hen laid 2 eggs. Eggs. I am going to read this exercise for you girls and you do it yourself. Number 2. The queen put her crowns on her head. Crown. Number 3. Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Number 4. Franz wore a pair of white shoes. Number 5. The baker gave me 3 buns. Number 6. I ate 1 mangoes and 3 orange. I ate 1 mango and 3 oranges. Number 7. Jawad has 1 pet dogs and 2 rabbits. Jawad has 1 pet dog and 2 rabbits. Number 8. Mother put 1 shopping bags on the tables. Mother put 1 shopping bag on the table. Number 9. There are many animals in the forest. Number 10. There are many roses in my garden. There are many roses in my garden. Now, look at these forms to denote more than one. Rich, riches. Brush, brushes. Match, matches. Kiss, kisses. Class, classes. Watch, watches. We have added es to change the forms of these nouns to show many. Usually, nouns ending in x, ch, sh, s or ss change their forms in this way to show many. Add es to the following nouns to
denote
more than one. Girls, you do this exercise in your homework. It's very simple. You just add es like bush, bushes, glass, glasses, branch, branches. Thank you.